Hey beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. Or if it's your first time here, hey boo, you picked the perfect video to start with. Now let me paint you a picture real quick. It's 7:45 a.m. Your class starts in 15 minutes, your hair's doing the most, and your skin? Yeah, she's not exactly giving fresh and flawless. You ever look in the mirror and think, how did I age 5 years overnight? Don't worry, you're not alone. But guess what? We're flipping the script today. I'm about to share some of the dopest, easiest, most affordable, African-inspired skincare tips that'll have your skin looking like it just came back from a 5-star spa retreat, even if you're running on 3 hours of sleep and iced coffee. Yup, we're bringing the glow without the glow-up prices. And yes, we're doing it while balancing school, stress, and whatever else life's throwing at you. So if you're ready to sprinkle some serious black girl magic into your skincare game, let's get right into it. Okay, first things first, let's talk mornings. You know those chaotic, rushing to class kind of mornings when your alarm magically didn't go off, or you hit snooze too many times? Yeah, those. But just because you're in a rush doesn't mean your skin has to look like it. Here's my no-fuss, glow-on-the-go 3-step routine that takes less than 5 minutes and doesn't require a single drop of foundation. Step 1. Micellar water. It's your new bestie. Swipe it across your face to cleanse, freshen, and wake up your skin. It's like your skin's morning coffee. Quick, effective, and necessary. Step 2. Moisturizer, babe. I love CeraVe's AM Facial Moisturizing Lotion because not only is it lightweight, it's got SPF 30 baked in. Melanin may be magic, but it still needs protection. And that brings us to step 3, Tinted SPF. Yes, tinted. Because we are not walking around looking ashy. The glow should be effortless, not ghostly. Now let's get into the real tea, hyperpigmentation. Those dark spots that seem to last longer than that situationship you swore was gonna work? Yeah, we're done with them. The fix: affordable serums with vitamin C or azelaic acid. The ordinary is a whole blessing. Cheap, effective, and no gatekeeping necessary. Add a few drops into your night routine and thank me later. And for those stubborn little breakouts that pop up right before your presentation or date night, grab some pimple patches. Seriously, slap one on, go to bed, and wake up like, who even are you? Clear skin, activated, quick pause. Because we need to squash a myth right now. Black people don't need sunscreen. Babe, yes we do. Melanin is powerful, but it's not invincible. We're out here trying to protect the glow, not damage it. Enter Black Girl Sunscreen. No white cast, no ashy aftermath, and made by us, for us. Your skin will thank you now and 20 years from now. Now, if you're feeling a little DIY-ish, I got you. Let's make a lip and cheek tint using 2 ingredients you might already have in your dorm: shea butter and hibiscus powder. That's it. Mix them up and boom, as you've got a buttery, pigmented, multitasking product that'll have people thinking you spent big money at Sephora. Pro tip? Dab a little on your eyelids and you've got a natural eyeshadow too. Budget beauty for the win. Speaking of routines, let's talk night care. Especially dorm style, when the sink is shared, time is tight, and energy is low. Start with a double cleanse. African black soap is the real MVP here. It's been trending for a reason, and yes, it actually works. Just don't overdo it. Once a day is plenty. Then hit those dry spots with some good old Vaseline. Not fancy, but it locks in moisture like nobody's business. Who needs a $60 cream when Vaseline's been in the game for decades? You'll wake up soft, smooth, and ready to slay another day. Now I know we're all on a student budget, and listen, I respect the hustle. So let me put you on to some bomb African skincare brands that won't have your bank account in tears. Check out Nala Skin, Bolden, and 54 Thrones. They're legit. But if you're saving every coin, I got some drugstore dupes too. Under $10 and still giving luxury-level results. You can glow without going broke. Here's the part we don't talk about enough. Stress. It shows up on your face just as much as it does in your grades. Breakouts, dullness, puffiness, all of it. So what do? First, breathe. Then grab some ice globes to depuff and cool your skin down. They're basically a facial massage in under 60 seconds. Got a breakout brewing? Dab on some tea tree oil and keep it moving. Your skin's been through enough already. All right, fam, we covered a lot today. From fast morning fixes to nighttime must-haves, from DIY hacks to budget brands. But more than anything, I hope you walk away from this video knowing that skincare isn't just about products. It's about care. Taking care of you even on the crazy days. So next time you're rushing between classes or feeling overwhelmed, give yourself a minute. Slap on some moisturizer. Breathe, glow up not just for looks, but for how it makes you feel. And now it's your turn. What's your favorite African skincare tip or product? Drop it in the comments. I love seeing what you all are using. If you vibed with this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more skincare, student life, and of course, Black Girl Magic. Until next time, stay glowing, stay gorgeous, and most importantly, stay you.